Hello everyone, this is Jerby, your certified aromatherapist, graduate of New York Institute of Aromatic Studies. For today, we will be talking about essential oils beyond 101 with Pili. So as you may or may not know, essential oils are actually a concentrated form of your plant substances. It's very, very potent. It's very, very concentrated that you really have to use just enough for what you need. You don't really have to use a lot because a little goes a long, long way. Since these are harnessed from natural substances, from plants, these can provide us a lot of therapeutic benefits. Also, essential oils have been proven to instantaneously affect our mood. For example, when we are feeling a little down, when we are feeling on the rut, essential oils can help us improve our emotions, support our emotions, ease our stresses away, and even help us ground or help us focus. There are so many benefits on these essential oils. It's a common misconception that all essential oils are 100% absolutely safe. That is a myth. And there are oils that are not pure, and that's the most dangerous of them all. So you have to make sure if you are using your essential oils, you have to make sure that the company or the brand is really providing you pure essential oils that are not adulterated, that are not laced with any additives or fixatives or any synthetic chemicals that would harm your body in the long run. Also, it's a common misconception that essential oils are only there for their fragrances, for their scents. Please, your essential oils are actually more than that, way, way more than that. Each essential oil, each composition of your essential oil blend can actually help support whatever intention that has for you. So what's unique about Pili? Pili is a very, very proudly Pinoy brand that uses elemi oil, Canarium luzonicum, and Pili pulp oil, Canarium ovatum, as their anchor product. Basically, these two oils are harnessed from the Pili tree, which is very endemic here in the Philippines, most especially in the Bicol region. Both of them, Pili oil and elemi oil, are actually very good ingredients that support your skin health, that support your skin barrier, and it even supports your respiratory health. There are a lot of benefits when using elemi oil and Pili oil, and I think that it's just so special for Pili as a company to anchor all of their products with something that's very, very uniquely available here in the Philippines. Each of these blends are made with 100% pure essential oils diluted in carrier oils like coconut oil and Pili pulp oil. So everything you see here is pure and natural, and it doesn't contain any synthetic or any adulterated substances. Aside from elemi and Pili pulp oil, this is made up of juniper, ginger, rosemary, and eucalyptus. It helps ease your stress away. Juniper is a good oil to help bring you back to your center, to help you balance and flush away all those feelings of anxiety and stress without having that sedative properties. And rosemary, by the way, helps you focus. So, it really gives you that oomph to carry on with your day and kick the hump day away. This is one of my favorites. Okay, so this is made up of peppermint, made up of eucalyptus, made up of rosemary, lemon, orange, bitter orange, and of course elemi and your Pili pulp oil diluted in coconut oil. This gives you that instant pick-me-upper, and this is also a good oil to help open up your lungs. For example, if you're having congestion, if you feel like you're having a stuffy nose, you can just pass this under your nose and make sure to inhale to open up all those air passageways. Plus, this has copaiba and elemi oil, which are very, very good respiratory support oils. Oh gosh, one of my favorites. This is Rise and Shine. As the name goes, this is made up of a glorious mix of citruses that would really perk you up in the morning. And let that beautiful mix of citrus with a tinge of mint and that tinge of elemi oil inspire you and perk you up in the morning and give you that instant positivity. It really uplifts your mood. So it really helps perk you up in the morning and uplifts you all throughout the day. This is the Citronella Burst, a very functional essential oil blend. This is great if you're still going outdoors. This includes a mix of eucalyptus, citronella, lemongrass, which are really known to fight pesky pests away, all those critters, all those bugs. This is a good natural insect repellent. Next up is my super favorite. This is like my top one among all of these. This is Pili Sweet Dream. So this one has eucalyptus, copaiba, pine, basil, clary sage, lavender, bitter orange, sandalwood, rosemary, and of course elemi, diluted in pili pulp oil and coconut oil. And the reason why I love this is that it has a very unique blend, and you can really smell basil in there. This one really relaxes you instantly. It really lulls you to sleep. This is actually a mix of heavy-duty oils that would help protect you against a lot of viruses. So this is made up of rosemary, eucalyptus, clove, elemi, cinnamon leaf, diluted in pili pulp oil and coconut oil. Now, it's very important to note that this has cinnamon leaf versus cinnamon bark because cinnamon leaf is more safe to be applied on the skin. If you see any essential oil blends that contain cinnamon bark, please don't ever apply it on your skin. It's not safe for topical application. The way I do it is that I actually apply it at the bottom edge of my mask just to help freshen my mask and also protect me. And it gives you that very fall turn of leaf ambiance, that amazing autumnal feels every time I use this. And luckily, while these are appropriate to be stacked inside your purse, Pili also has these refillable bottles available. So don't forget to check out Pili on their website. This is Jerby Go, your certified aromatherapist, signing out.